Hello? Hello? Who this? Yes, yes. This is the Maverick. Yeah? What you say? You have some information for me? Yes, yes, yes. Zinedine Zidane is en route to Manchester United to replace Jose Mourinho. Where you get that from, brother? Eh? The league just start. 3 games gone. Plus, the Manchester United boss them say them have confidence in Mourinho. Where you get your information from? You think it's a rumbar, this? This is big prime time sports commentary. Boss man, I'm busy now. I'm busy now. Excuse me, excuse me. I don't know why these people have called my phone with them fake news. Anyway, Manchester United did get them teeth kicked out today, the wickedest way. And to say Jose Mourinho is under pressure is an understatement. 3-0 from Tottenham Hotspurs on the sacred grounds of Old Trafford. From a team that don't spend $1 in the transfer market. Big and serious, it was a wonderful sight to see Manchester United being put to the sword and to see Mourinho's face looking like crushed paper and to hear the Manchester United fans sounding so quiet. Yeah. Hello? Are you again, brother? Yes, yes, yes. Wait a second. What you say now? Zidane just land in England? I cannot say these things on the air because I have no proof. Yes, yes. As far as I know, Jose Mourinho is still the coach of Manchester United and him just signed an extension the other day. And him not going nowhere. Yes, yes. Bossman, hold on, bossman. I don't spread rumor on this program. Yes, yes, yes. What is your name, sir? What is your name? Come over, come over, come over. Jose Mourinho, coach for life at Manchester United. Come over, phone, boss man.